Welcome back. In today's medical moment, we're joined by Dr. Joseph Vettukattil. He's the medical director of the Karl and Patricia Betz Congenital Heart Center at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. Now, Dr. Vettukattil leads a team of specialists in diagnosing and treating congenital heart disease for patients of any age. This week, we're celebrating Congenital Heart Defect Awareness Week, and we'll be celebrating those special hearts with the families that care for them. Good morning, doctor. How are you?
Good morning.
Thanks for being here. Could you tell us about some of the new innovative work that you're doing for kids diagnosed with congenital heart conditions?
Thank you. Innovation is something very important for us because it makes a positive and important change in the management of these patients. So we are innovative in very different aspects of the care for children. But as an interventional cardiologist, I focus mainly on imaging the heart defects so that we can visualize them better. So we have innovations with the help of the Karl and Patricia family, who are helping us with the Advanced Visualization Center, where we are able to visualize heart in 3 dimensions. And we expect that we can do advanced imaging with artificial intelligence, as well as virtual and augmented reality to see the heart and the depth of the heart defects, so that we can innovate in the management of care of these patients. For example, we have new devices in making, which are already being approved through the system in Europe. And we have new innovative methods of managing complex defects. For example, in surgery, protecting the vital organs while doing major surgeries are undertaken here. A new colleague of us, who is Dr. Helen, who has joined us, is an expert in it. So there are different specialists with different skills that is innovating in our department at the moment.
Wow, we're talking virtual reality, artificial intelligence, 3D imaging, a lot of cool technology. Beyond that, though, what sets the program at Helen DeVos Children's Heart Program apart from others?
The most important thing is the group of specialists who are dedicated to the care of these children. We can provide an array of treatment options from before birth, from fetus to old age. And we give specialized care in every aspect. Like we have a cardiopulmonary exercise program, which quantifies and qualifies the ability of a particular person with congenital heart defect. And then, we can prognosticate and continue to monitor them. We have a cardiogenetic program there. You can determine the determinants of heart defects. We can also look at the complexity of heart defects, as I said, by using advanced visualization techniques. We have new valves and new methods of inserting valves into patients without doing open heart surgery. So there is a variety of specialization in our program.
Wow, specialization, great team, great tech. What about the future? What does it look like? I mean, my nephew, we're seeing photos of these kids with the scars, and he called it his warrior scar because my nephew had a congenital heart defect and has that scar as well. What about for the next generation? New treatments, new programs out there?
Absolutely. I think the future is in innovations in terms of reducing the harm to the patients, minimizing the amount of trauma to the children so that they have less pain and less hospital stay, so that we can do most of the procedures without opening the heart through interventional techniques, and also visualizing the heart into an extent so that the procedure time is reduced, so that we have all the information before we go in. And even people can, or the colleagues or surgeons or interventionists can practice on a model that is available, that is detail of the patient's condition, and then prepare themselves before they go and start the procedure.
Well, Dr. Vettukattil, thank you so much for the time this morning and for all the work that you and your team there do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You want to learn more about the Karl and Patricia Betz Congenital Heart Center, head to spectrumhealth.org. Excuse me. We'll also have a more direct link at fox17online.com as well. Hey.